Hi, Danielle here from the Swan Tavern inside the Schoolhouse, and this week I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called The Last Word. So the ingredients are gin, we have Bombay, a maraschino cherry liqueur, we chose Luxardo, and this fun bottle of green Chartreuse, some pineapple, and some fresh squeezed lime. Fun fact about Chartreuse, it's been created by monks for over 200 years with 130 different herbs and spices. So it adds a very unique flavor to this cocktail. First, in our martini glass, we will fill it with ice and soda water so we can chill the glass. And we'll set that off to the side. And then in our shaker, we'll put some ice. So it's all equal parts of all the ingredients. So first comes the gin. And then we'll do the Luxardo. So it's an ounce of each. And the Chartreuse. They make green or yellow Chartreuse. The green is the one that we selected for this. 1 ounce of pineapple juice and fresh lime. So we'll do the whole half of lime. All right, we'll shake this. Empty out our martini glass. We can add our lime and strain. So please come check us out Thursdays and Fridays from 5 to 11. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.